Okay, good morning. This is a small video how to update the OIV Analyzer app and run it correctly. Number one, you need Microsoft Excel 2013 or above installed on your computer. Otherwise, this exe will give you an error, correct? So let's start this. When you start this for the first time, you will probably, it will just run. It will not give you the choices which I am getting, but I will show you how it runs initially. This is the original workbook which you will see. Now just watch till what date the data has been updated. Data has been updated on the file till 8th Jan. This is the original workbook. This is what you will see, correct? Now the sheets, the Vol Explosion, it will automatically give you the names of the stocks which are under Vol Explosion. It is there till 7th. The data is the current data which will get updated after you update the CSV. We'll come to that in a moment. The result is basically back history. This will not get updated. This will just show you till what was the back history of the last 1 year so that you can check. So let's come back to charts. So when you open it for the first time, it will show you like till 8th January it is updated, right? I want you to close this and save. So when you click save, it will give you a choice. So you go to desktop and this one. It will give you a choice as secure Excel files. Give any name, say whatever XD, save. This has stopped and you have come to xd.xlsc. Now you need to run the YV Analyzer.exe for the first time. Now this is, you are doing this for the first time, correct? You have to do this only once. You click run, it will give you some choices. One of the choices is choose file or choose save. Original workbook, last save, choose save. So you click this choose save and you choose the data file which I have provided with the download, correct? Open. The data will be updated to a certain date which you will see that it is more than the dates which you have originally seen in the file. See, the data is updated till 15th, correct? So if you have updated till 15th, you will see the Vol Explosion list. That also is updated. Your data also is updated till 15 Jan, etc. Now in order to update this data, what you need to do is, you need to go to the NSE site, right? Now till today the data is updated. So if you want to go to the historical data, easiest way, if you go to the old website and go to the derivatives data section, it's somewhere around here in the first page, all reports. By default it's in capital market, choose derivatives, and let's say you are looking for historical data, correct? So this is all historical report. This is actually your archive maintained by NSE. You select report, you just click the Bhav copy. Now let's say we needed data for 18th. So January 18th, get data. This file will be here, FO 18 Jan 2021 vab.csv.zip. This format has to be there, then it's your correct file, correct? And if you download it, obviously it will give you a download option and stuff. So you can download the file. After you download the file, just unzip it. Now after you unzip it, I already have the files out here. Go to start. Remember, your data out here is till 15th. So the day after 15th is 18th. Select CSV. I have a Bhav copy folder on my computer. And here if you go to the, I need the 18th date. This is 18th Jan, you select it. See, FO 18 Jan 2021 bhav.csv. Now I have unzipped the zip folder which I downloaded, correct? Select. Process completed. See, the data is updated till 18th. And if you go to the Vol Explosion, if there was a, no, till 14th it was there. Again we go to start. I'm just updating the data. So 18th we updated, we need the next date. 19th, select. After the process is completed, it will give you a process completed, yes. 19th data is also there. 19th we had Oro Pharma and sale on Vol Explosion. Start 19th is done. 20th. Done. Start. 21st. Done. Now your data has been updated till 21st. I need the 22nd data, correct? You can do it from both sides. If you go to the old site, okay, let's go to home. From the old site, what you can do is, it's available in both places. Go to the first page. As I said, all reports, derivatives. This is your file, the first one, this one here. Okay, so if you just click this, A4 22nd January 2021 bhav.csv.zip, you can download it from here. You can also go to the new site, go to market data, go to daily market reports. Again, by default, it's coming in capital markets. Go to derivatives. You have a lot of reports out here. What you need to do is, there are two A4 bhavcopy.zip, right? This one, see the date, A4 22nd January 2021 bhav.csv.zip. So you need to download this. Save it somewhere on your computer. Bhavcopy is Jan 21. This is the zip file. This is what I've saved. After the saving gets completed, show in folder, extract the zip file. Yeah. So A4 22nd Jan 2021 bhav.csv. This is the folder. Go back to your OIV Analyzer app, select CSV. I need the 22nd data here, select. Process completed. So now you have data till 22nd. On Vol Explosion, let me check. Okay, there is no stock. Now the part is most important. You try to click close. It will ask you for a save again. Okay. Now click this save and choose data. This XD was just for example. Just choose data and click save. Already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Now this is saved. So now what I do is, if I again start the OIV Analyzer app now, it will ask me for, again it will give me choices, right? It will give you original workbook, last save or choose save. You can choose save and choose data. If you click last save also, it will open your data till 22nd. See, till 22nd the data is there. So this is the process. Okay. Thank you.